Welcome back. You're still tuned into Trading Hour, and let's talk about some individual stocks which are moving around in trade. Oberoi Realty is one of them. It's up over 2% right now. This after they have issued a clarification on their EGM. So Sonal is here to tell us more about that. Sonal?
Thanks a lot for that. Well, yes, back in the week, Oberoi Realty had come out with a notification that they will have an EGM on 1st of December, and this would be with respect to purchase of one or more residential premises in the project 360 West. There were a lot of questions about how they will be funding it, since it's around 4,000 crore rupees, and more details on the same. So the company has gone ahead and issued that clarification as well. They have spoken about their 32.5% profit share in this particular project, and they already have pending receivables close to 1,200 to 1,500 crores from Oasis Realty, which is basically the subsidiary under which this project is being commissioned. So company will be paying 4,000 crore rupees for buying these projects over next 12 months. And they say that this consideration or this transaction that they are taking place is effectively cash neutral, because company will be able to recoup pending receivables from the 32.5% stake. That's around 1,200 to 1,500 crore rupees. They will continue to remain the main seller of the unsold inventory, that is of 360 West, and it's a big luxury project for the company. And stamp duty that they're paying right now of 6%, including the metro cess of 1%, will be allowed as offset for any future sale of these projects. So they have issued certain clarifications, on the back of which ICICI Securities says that companies continuing to retain control of entire sales of the project, and the fact that the company has gone ahead, clarified that it's going to be a cash neutral position, this will allay a lot of investor fears, and that's why they are positive on the stock, and the stock is higher in trade today.
Right, Oberoi Realty, some relief, 2.5% higher, but Sonal, Axis Bank is also on focus, right, on the back of positive management commentary at the analyst meet?
Oh yes, that's right. And the big focus that the company spoke about is on digital and also on fundraise. So let me start with the first point, where they say that investment in digital platforms, that's boosting their cross-sell opportunities. They also speak about their partnerships with Citi and Flipkart, which will make them one of the biggest credit card platforms in the country as well. On their book, they say that yes, delinquencies are much lower than their peer private bank average in the retail category. Asset quality for them continues to show signs of improvement, and they are sure of being able to cope with any macroeconomic headwinds because they have sufficient provisions in place as well. Jefferies has a buy rating on the stock, and they talk about valuations. This is something that other analysts have spoken about as well. They expect valuation discount of 40% to ICICI Bank to narrow a little bit. Capital raise will be watched. UBS says that bank reiterated their medium-term loan target of 5 to 6% growth, which is higher than the industry, and they also expect the valuation gap with the other banks to narrow. JP Morgan says that tech investments have come to the last stage, and now they'll start showing in their books, and glide path of cost to assets reducing by 25 basis points is something that they expect over the next 2 years. They also expect credit costs to normalize over the next 12 to 18 months, that is.
All right, Sonal, thanks a lot for getting us all of those details. The other stock which is doing well is PVR. This is gaining on the news of a new multiplex as well as IMAX opening in Kerala. So Vaishda is here to tell us more about that. Vaishda?
Hi, Pavitra. Thanks for that. Well, we are nearly towards the end of the weekend, and it's a Friday. So back to talking about movies. PVR has opened 12 screens at the Lulu Mall in Trivandrum, and the PVR presence in the city is now at 14 screens with 2 properties. PVR's presence in all of Kerala is at 27 screens in 4 properties, and PVR's global presence now has gone up to 876 screens at 176 properties in 76 cities, which includes India and in Sri Lanka. There is a strong upcoming film lineup. The Hindi dubbed markets is seeing strong acceptance from other regional genres such as Kannada, apart from Telugu in the past. Now there's some emerging green shoots in the Hindi content with a decent pipeline for remaining part of Q3 of FY23. There is Varun Dhawan starrer Bhedia, which is releasing today. There's a Ranveer Singh starrer Circus. Also, we have Avatar and Vijay Deverakonda starrer Kushi. Back to you.
Yeah, there's a lot lined up. Avatar, of course, is going to be the big one. It's a big budget movie, and that's something to watch out for. PVR at 1861. We'll take a break here. We are back. We'll discuss market fundamentals with Sunil Subramaniam of Sundaram Mutual Fund on the other side. Stay with us.